Hi all, Rene here. Today I am here to put together the cut above layout kit for the September Craft with Heart subscription service. I thought I had already done this one, but I hadn't. So I'm going to go ahead and put this together. They're really easy to do. Everything is pre-cut. All you need is some adhesive, your pictures, and a journaling pen. That's pretty much everything you need. So it makes two-page layouts. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on those, and I'll be back at the end to show you what they look like. Enjoy. These turned out really cute. Here is the first layout. Really simple to do. The putting the letters down wasn't hard at all because of this background. You can see in the background there's like those little triangle or little teepee things, and you can line up the letters with those, and that'll keep them straight. The other thing I did was I left the adhesive away from all the edges so I could slip all these other pieces underneath there. And it'll be fine. It'll be in the page protector so it won't come off. And then this one was really cute as well. I would suggest putting this in just a little bit further when you put it on. But other than that, really simple, but really cute. And then this layout turned out really cute as well. Something weird, I'm not sure if maybe when I was messing with kits doing the unboxing, I have this extra 5x7 photo placeholder. I'm wondering if it goes with another kit, so I'm just going to put it off to the side, and if not, I got a bonus. But this turned out really cute as well. I love how these overlap. It has the journaling lines already in there. This would be really good just to journal about what your routine is during the week, or maybe a really special week, and you can write about what little something that happened each one of those days. I could see this being really neat for a high school senior, writing out maybe the whole week of graduation, what they did each day for the week of graduation. Just a really nice little layout. Layouts didn't take long at all to put together. That's what I love about these kits. They're quick, simple, everything's done for you, and you end up with some really beautiful artwork. So if you have any questions about this kit, just leave me a comment down below. I'll be happy to get back with you. And thanks again for stopping by, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.